So as we close out 2022 with the passing of the legend King Pele, the latest attack strategy by the Lionel Messi nation is that Messi performing brilliantly and winning the World Cup at 35 is more impressive than Pele performing brilliantly and winning the World Cup at 17. Yes. Just want to say this though. How many players in the history of football have scored the big goals and dominated and won the World Cup at 17? One. His name is Edson Arantes do Nascimento, King Pele. Yes. This recent World Cup in Qatar, we saw several players 35 and over, not just Messi. Luka Modric from Croatia, Pepe from Portugal, Thiago Silva from Brazil, all closer to 40 than 30, all playing at a high level. How many 17-year-olds did we see in Qatar? Why did we see so many veterans and so little 17-year-olds? Since it's easier for 17-year-olds to win the World Cup than the veterans. Also, Messi is not the only old player to have won the World Cup. Dino Zoff won it at 40. Miroslav Klose won it at 37. At least 4 other players were older than Messi when they won the World Cup. And we are still a search for another 17-year-old outside of Pele, yes, who dominate and win the World Cup. We still a search for the other 17-year-old. When the other 17-year-old them there.